Cracking the calendar, mastering dates and ordinal numbers in English. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Learning English series. Today, we're going to dive into the world of dates and calendars, focusing on how to properly use ordinal numbers in dates. If you're ready to bring your English skills to the next level, then this video is perfect for you. Ordinal numbers are numbers that describe the position or order of things in a series. In English, we use them often, especially when it comes to dates. For example, we say January 1st, February 2nd, March 3rd, and so on. Notice that street, ND, road, and TH are added at the end of the number to indicate its order. When we speak about dates, we use ordinal numbers after the day. For instance, the 5th of May. However, when writing dates, especially in a formal context, the ordinal indicator is often omitted. For example, May 5th, not May 5th. However, it's important to remember that it is not incorrect to write May 5th. Let's get into some practice now. I'll provide a date, and you'll need to say it out loud. Take a pause after I say the date and try to say it yourself before I provide the correct answer. 1. January 1st, January 1st. 2. March 21st, March 21st. 3. June 10th, June 10th. 4. December 31st, December 31st. Keep practicing these until you feel comfortable with them. If you want to practice more, try to find a calendar and go through each date saying them aloud. A common mistake is to say ordinal numbers as if they are cardinal numbers. For example, saying January 1 instead of January 1st. Always remember that when saying dates, use ordinal numbers. That wraps up our lesson on using ordinal numbers in dates. It may seem tricky at first, but with plenty of practice, you'll master it in no time. Remember, practicing aloud will help reinforce what you've learned. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself speaking English more fluently and confidently. Thank you for joining us in this lesson, and we hope it was helpful. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore more exciting aspects of the English language. Happy learning, and see you soon!